What's up, guys? Good to have you again. Yay. Thank you. What's up, guys? Good to have you again. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? It's another night to move the market. Tell me, how is your day moving so far? I am trading binary options. Give me motivation. Hassan, good to see you. You're always on time. How are you doing? I see you all guys are on time. You're on time. Chef Pamesh, you're always here on time. Yeah. Raphael, I can see ya. Cameron on time. Becca, good to have you. Oh my god, it's Big Crazy. Zillion. Raquel. It's always nice to have you, Jeffrey. You guys are on time. You're so on time. So let us see what the market has for us tonight. Did you look at your charts today, guys? Jerome, good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. Let us move, guys. Structure is bearish rather. So let us see how our sell entry closes. This is our first entry for tonight. So let us see how it goes. Pushing on my button without hesitation. Oh my god. Because it's nation. New motivation now. Daniel, good to see you. Good to see you. Abdallah, good to have you guys. Tell me, how is your day moving for you guys? Do you realize actually the week is still fresh? So if you have not yet set your trading plan for the week, you can already set your goals and you see and you evaluate yourself by the end of the week and you see how you have performed. Even though that she got selfish ways, named you Ezra because you're always helping me. Okay, weaker. I'm creeping. There's things you understand me really right now. Only reason you understand you right now, you're my right now. Bang for you. You're new here. Good to have you. This is a trading assembly. Oh my god. Our trade there was invalidated. Oh my god. Let us see if we can get more entries. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question you want to know about trading. I am trading binary options. And I am on gold chart. So let's move. Oh, how I love you. Body touch you. And I'm like your mama. Even though that she got selfish ways, named your Asia because you're always helping me. All right, world free speech. Good to have you. Good to have you. Guys, tell me, how did you spend your day today? Mark your attendance. Did you look at your charts? I think we understand it right now. Only reason you understand you right now. Damn, another trader's been invalidated. That was crazy. Our sales were so valid. Let us see if we can get any other entry. keep a check. Guys, you're not telling me how did you spend your day today? Did you look at your charts? And this is our trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question. My strategy is pure price action. So when you see me executing trades, they are all backed up with my strategy. Yeah, okay. Hannah, do you use it? Do you use the same strategy as me? And I'm not trying to move. And it's a step by ya. You're the sunflower. I think I'll never be too much. You be left in the dust. And it's a step by ya. You're the sunflower. You're the sunflower. Every time I'm leaning on you, you don't make it easy on you. Wish I could be there for you. Give me a reason to go. Every time I come, I can hear you telling me to turn around. Fighting for my trust, so you won't back down. Even if we gotta risk it all, I know you're scared of the unknown. You don't wanna be alone. I know that it's gonna go, but it's out of my control. You'll be left in the dark, but it's a step by ya. Hey, good to have you, good to have you, good to have you. Tell me, how did you spend your day? Did you execute any trades today? Did you execute any trades today? You love that song. All right. Let us see how our sales are gonna close. My candles are 5 seconds, and my expiration time is 15 seconds. You can come get rich with us. Good to have you all. Good to have you all. I could tell you my creation and where to so I'll be on. Oh my god, yeah. They'll be running from me. Get whatever from me. Good to have you. Good to have you, my dear. We just tuned in right now. But we still flex. Get down on me, yeah, I can cheer ya. We have real sex. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. I'm like, don't be running from me. This is in your business. All right. $60.12. Don't be running from me. Done. I'm so high on my mind, I thought I wasn't gonna see tomorrow. Guys, you can see structure is strongly bearish, so we are adding more sales. As you know, my strategy, or part of my strategy, involves following that trend. So this is what exactly I did, and the pullback has invalidated our sales. Damn. Okay, let us see. Guys, we are continuing with the bearish move, so let's see how it goes. The pullback is done, and we are anticipating the market to continue its direction. I am a millionaire. I love you when I woke up. Could be a trillionaire. I'm the winner. Okay, let's move. Guys, this is a reminder, you cannot follow my trades on the stream because of the time lag. So House of Hard, what you're asking, it's because of YouTube time lag. That's why it's appearing like that on your chat. Natures, good to have you. Good to have you. They call me 11. Good to see ya. Good to see ya. Great is thy faith. Good to have you. I'll be the one when I woke up. Yeah. I am trading, guys. I'm trading binary options, and with binary options, we just set our expiration time. So if I execute a trade, it just takes me 15 seconds for it to close, either in a plus or an L. Okay, let us see if we can get more entries. Baby, who cares? You don't know what you did to me. Speaks to me. We have really locked in some good profit here. We have really locked in some good entries here, guys. Yeah, let us see if we can add more. The markets at this rate, I'm still anticipating just a pullback until the previous high is broken. That's when we are going to consider the market switching bullish. But for now, our mindset is still locked in, the market being bearish. Make it cry like a baby, yeah. Like a baby, yeah. All right. Take me over to my place. Speak to me. speaks to me. Wow, this is some good movement from Sellers. So let's see. All right, it's good to have you here today. If you didn't make it yesterday, at least you made it today. Tell me, what were you doing yesterday? Mm-mm. Phantom from Spain, I see ya. Good to have you. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description for it. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. The strategy I'm using is price action, just understanding market trends or market direction, and understanding market structure. I also back it up with candlestick patterns. Okay, our account has grown, so let us increase the risk and see how it goes for us. All right, we are having some movement here from buyers. This is some crazy run. Guys, tell me, are you the ones buying the markets? Because this is some crazy run here. Let us continue with the move and see how it goes for us. All right, good to have you. I'm glad you made it today, Ahmed. When she's up and running. Guys, I'm using, oh my god, that air wasn't really anticipated, but let us see if we can get another entry. Let us add more entries here and move. Same direction. All right. We are so locked in. Hey. Girl, what you doing? Okay, never mind, don't matter. Guess what? I did it. Girl, he is not old. Stop. And besides, if he is up in age, girl, Vibes, good to have you. Hey. My sugar daddy took me out just to kick it and settle down. My shots are coming round and around. I drank him, but he preferred to drink crown. You know yours, so we had to slow it down. Ready to go, cause the road lasts how long. But I'ma chill, cause I know he can give me some money. I'm at the bar, just me and my hands. Dropping it up with his all last friends. But I took one too many Yeah, guys, stop spam commenting. House of Hard, please don't spam comment. Don't spam comment. Keeping me out there ass on the dresser. I swear that he changed my whole mind. I'm gonna get you ready when I used to. Guys, tell me, how did you spend your day today? What were you doing? Did you look at your charts? The week is still fresh for you not to be in the market. So let me hope you really looked at your charts. I want to know all those that executed. How was your trading session? You've been on my mind. I'm sitting over here. So deep, I never had this feeling. When you thought I was what you dream, you could handle me. Says Mark, good to see ya. You did so well. I'm using the indicator, guys, with its default settings. On this trading assembly, we do not complicate things, guys. More energy than a 3-year-old baby. You had to see to believe I am crazy girl. I was old school nigga, underestimated. Oh my god, this candle has really washed us out. So let us see if we can get another entry. My candles are 5 seconds and my times is 15 seconds. My expiration time is 15 seconds. Guys, you're not telling me. How are you spending? Guys, did you look at your charts? I want real traders to give me their experience they had today from the market. You crashed your account again. Oh my god. Sorry, that's so bad. That's so bad for you, my friend. What happened? Sometimes when you make such mistakes, you can tell. Do you know the reason why it happened? Were you over risking your account? What really happened? Or you over endured a lot of losses? Because sometimes actually, guys, when you are in a trading session and if you have taken a lot of losses, sometimes it is better to stay away from the market and you come back the next day, or you pick another time where your mind is fresh and clear so that you do not wipe out your account. So tell me what exactly happened. I don't know. Daniel, good to see ya. Samuel, good to have you, guys. Alvaro, good to see ya. Oh, good to see you all, guys. So I need to hear someone else's opinion. How did you spend your week today? Or actually, how did you spend your day? Did you look at your charts? Guys, whenever I'm starting my session, I start with multi-frame market analysis, where I look at different time frames to get a bigger picture of the market direction. mainly. That's why I look at higher time frame. Then whenever I go down to my lower time frame, I can easily execute with a mindset or what's happening based on the higher time frame that I looked at. If you want to reach out to me, there's a Telegram link in the description. You can use that, Kumar. Damn. Oh. How do I learn entry points? Actually, if you have a strategy, I mean, your entries are going to be easier for you if you have a trading strategy that you are really using. You have to be following something in the market, or you have to have something that you're always looking out for in the market. It's not all about opening entries and on anticipation. Like now, I mean, let me say, I see a green candle, I execute buys. I see red candles, I execute sales. It shouldn't be like that, guys. You should always have something that you're always looking out for in the market. That's why it's always wise to have a trading strategy or a few things that you can look out in the market and they're showing you something. We have so much in common. We all give all the time. You always say I'm wrong. I'm pretty sure I'm right. What's fun about commitment? We have a life to live. Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got love to give. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Emmanuel, let me hope I've answered you. Young, dumb, broke high school kids. Young, dumb, broke high school kids. Jump and we think, live it all in the game of love. Proud to say, do it all in the name of fun. Whoa. I'm so high at the moment. I'm so caught up in this. Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got love to be. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. All right. Let us see if we can get more entries. We're trying to catch up a pullback in an uptrend, but I'm still anticipating a deeper pullback. So let us see how it goes. Okay, the market has switched back to its original trend. And it's stronger than never. You guys are really crazy. You're really crazy. But it's always nice to have you all. This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask me any trading question. I am trading binary options. Man living like an animal. When the problem goes, life comes with another one. But I'm a god, I'm a stronger man. I be different breed, my kind of the number one. I'm not trying to be the number one. So many legends there, I'm trying to be another one. But sometimes it dey be like say I want my of the pleasure and the wahala. It dey be like say I don't tire. Sometimes it dey be like say I want my of the pleasure and the wahala. I just wanna be alone. I don't wanna see no message on my phone. Nothing they do me, you should know. I just feel like I should do things on my own. I just wanna be. If no be love, no money palava. If no be stress, no woman and drama. Competition, people they para. So much beef when I no be man. I got to do I'm in my power. Cresta coco, the talent manjara. So I lock myself, it's a manjara. Go down on my knees on the corner. Raphael, you're feeling like you're learning very fast. That is nice. That means whatever you're learning here, you're really putting it into practice. Yeah, because actually what will make you start seeing results, it is not about the information you know in the market, it's about if you can really execute it on charts. A lot of traders, they know a lot, but once they come in real markets, things become different because of market discipline and fear of execution. Hey, no message on my phone. There's a link in the description for the broker I'm using. All right, let's add more cells and see how it goes. Let's see. Yeah. You know. Teach us. I mean, that's what I'm always here every night, guys. That's why I'm always here every night. I feel like if you're locked in, you can easily catch on because my strategy, it's price action. It entirely involves following the trade unless I take pullback entries when there is a valid opportunity. But following the trend, actually, it is easy. The easiest way you can trade. Like I always said, you guys, sometimes it's not the problem is not the strategy. It also needs you to believe in yourself that you can really be a profitable trader and you can really execute. So maybe I should teach you how to believe in yourself. Because if you really don't trust yourself and the information you have, sometimes it will be hard for you to execute. And you'll never be royal. It's running our blood. We have a different kind of us. You can call me Queen Bee. Say, someone asked me if I can trade for them. Of course I can. You can use the donation link. Yeah. It will take you to the donation page and you get all the information there. Everybody knows that you're fine with this. We didn't come from money. Stupid in the bathroom, blasting. You don't care. The link is down in the description. You can use that. And we never be royal. We have a different kind of us. Ruler. And baby, I rule. Samuel, which question did you ask? Maybe I didn't see it. Maybe I didn't see it. You can ask again. And I'm in love with being queen. Damn. That was really close, but I'm glad we have closed in a plus. It's the end for us. You could call me Queen Bee. Are you buying or selling? I execute both depending on the market conditions. Yeah. So it depends on the market direction and the market condition or market structure that is going to influence me to either buy or to either sell. Guys, with trading, yes, you can see very many opportunities, but it is better to execute trades that are in line with your strategy. That is the easiest way you can protect your capital. You do not have to rush. I mean, if you're doing it for yourself, you have nothing to prove, but just to keep on challenging yourself to be disciplined in the market and protect your capital. So patience is really key. Patience is really key whenever you're trading. Oh my God. That was some crazy move. All information about the donation is on the donation page, or you can reach out to me via Telegram. If you're not understanding, if you're really finding it a hard time, you can reach out to me via Telegram. I'll help you. I've started, you've improved, but you're still blowing on that demo. Maybe you should also work on improving your market discipline and your risk management. Whenever you're trading, you should also consider the risk you're taking. If you're really trading a small accounts, even big accounts, actually, you should avoid putting much risk on your account, because that is the easiest way you're going to blow your capital. To be honest, so if you're really still blowing, it is because you need to work on your discipline in the market. I'm so fancy. Hi, GGY. Right? Wow. Hi, GGY. You used to love me. I'll be right for you, slow wine for you. Oh, but oh my god. Touch me. Yeah, we lie for you, slow wine for you. She can't wait. Thing I used to do. I still remember back in December was the hottest winter. The love they enter, that's why I surrender. All right, guys, I'm seeing someone say, teach me your strategy. My strategy is price action. Singing, why, mommy, why, mommy, why? It is price action. So, all those that are looking for the strategy, let me see you comment strategy. Then we get into it. The love they enter. Do you remember the rain? Yeah, guys, if you're ready to listen to my strategy, let me see your comment. I don't want to be when I'm just immediately done explaining and you're really not locked in, then you ask. You guys have started your banter. Oh my god, you're so crazy. See the best in the tiny dresses. Cause they're just celebrating life. My strategy, I explain it here for free, guys. That's why we are always here. This is a trading assembly. We are always sharing as traders. So if you're locked in here, I'm going to get into the details of my strategy. So let me hope you're locked in. As strong and beautiful. Yes, we'll fight to make every day. None to are the same. Oh my god. I'm gonna night just celebrating life. It's anything physical, private. We're just so tired because it's like, all right, guys. So if you're locked in, I'm going to get into the details of my strategy. But like I'm already telling you guys, if you really have spent like about a year in the market, sometimes actually it is not about the strategy. Sometimes it is about you trying to believe in yourself and believe that you can make it. Then you start really to execute trades. Yeah. So for all the traders that are still looking for the strategy, maybe you need to work on your market discipline and also work on your risk management. I'm speaking this from my own experience as a trader because it took me about 2 years still doubting myself. Yet I knew exactly everything that would really make me a better trader, but I kept on doubting myself. So it's always also nice to just believe in yourself that you can make it. But my strategy is simple that I use when I'm trading. It is pure price action, where I look at market trends or understanding the market direction. That is understanding the market conditions you're dealing with. Are you in an uptrend? Are you in a downtrend? Are you dealing with a sideways market? But because if you're already in a downtrend, it would be best to look out for sell trades, and because they are going to be in line with the trend, and most of the times executing trades that are in line with the trend, most of the time they turn out to be positive compared to trades that are really against the trend. That doesn't mean that trades that are against the trend won't work in your ways. They still do work, just that the win rate is a little bit lesser compared to someone who is following the trend. The other thing I look out for whenever I'm trading with my strategy is understanding market structure. And with market structure, you have to look out for key points. Those are the strong highs and the strong lows that either push the market up in an uptrend to, and led to a break of structure. And with break of structure, guys, you have to see it with a candle closure for it to be extremely valid. If you just see a wick, that is not a strong break of structure. It is better you wait for a candle closure above or below the break of structure. The other thing I always look out for, guys, is trading with candlestick patterns. You all know that candlestick patterns, you all know candlestick patterns. They can show you market direction. Actually, they're the first signal that can show you market either could be switching market structure or could be switching that trend. And with that information, it can help you decide if you're going to either enter buys or sells. I just wanna audio air with a mad block paint on it. Hoping that them niggas don't hate on it. Neon place on it with my own name on it. Young and mad on it, just wait on it. Yeah. Self-mention. Evans, good to have you. You're not so late, you're just on time. What? Tell me, did you look at your charts today? I wanna have a feast by the beach. Looking at the waves, looking at the waves. I don't wanna sleep. Damn. Buyers have invalidated this, so let us see if we can get any more entries. You are on currency pairs. That's nice. Let me hope they were moving well for you. Human the self-care, self-made. The candlestick patterns, actually I only use 3. I consider engulfing pattern. I also consider pin bars. Yeah, the Galinari titles, girl. And inside bars. Those are the candlestick patterns that I always consider. You know, with trading you have to try to minimize what you have to pick out a few things and you practice them consistently in the market. You cannot be looking out on the chart and you're looking at the chart, but you're looking out for about 20 different candlestick patterns, because actually they are there. There are very many candlestick patterns that you can look out for, but it's better to always narrow down to a few things and you just look for those particular things consistently over and over again. We got in at the tight of skirt, and now we show you what they want. You love the training. You're welcome, my dear. You go, right. Show sky, you love the training. Yeah, we got it. Honestly, as a trader, I believe you guys also have this experience. When you execute trades, the market goes against you and everything was so in line with your strategy. Such entries are kind of painful when they are invalidated, but the market is the market. So let us look for more. Excuse me. Rod, good to see you. Cora, good to see you. Vinny Warrior, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Phantom, good to have you. Guys, how is your day moving for you? Anything. Rich Millie, good to see ya. When you do it. Call me lucky. Enemy. Let us see how our anticipated pullback is gonna close. All right, beautiful. And you better look fucking good when you do it. All right, guys, let us secure our profits for tonight. Then we get into the donations. If you're ready for the donation, let me see you comment locked in. If you're ready, let me see you. Yeah, let me see you comment locked in. We are so locked in, so let us move. She and me. Oh my god, let me do this. All right, guys, we are locked in for our fast. And you better look fucking good when you do it. Wow, this is a very beautiful uptrend. So let us see how it goes. If we can lock in any Kaya. Okay, nice. First attempt has gone well. And we're still moving. Okay, it's like we're having another pullback here. She enemy. Anything. And you better look fucking good. Never call me lucky. Oh my god, really bad are so strong. You can see these big candles that they are printing on the charts. They are still really moving. They still have market control. So let's market has broke structure to the upside, and you know what happens after market break structure? You anticipate a pullback. This is what that is exactly happening right now. And you better look fucking good when you do it. Okay, yeah. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. Your first attempt has moved well. Let me see you type congratulations, guys. First attempt has moved well. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. Anybody owe you bread, do not accept the crumbs. Remember, you can never tell these bitches everything. Today she call you sus, tomorrow she enemy. Money to the side, don't let no nigga leave you dry. Stand up business, if they say it's up, you better ride. Keep the family first, but that in front of everything. Take that on yourself if you gon' roll the dice on anything. Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it. And you better look fucking good when you do it. Better look good when you doing it, bitch. Okay, this has gone deeper than just a mere pullback. So I'm thinking that market is definitely switching structure. So let us see if we can get any entries. Never let a nigga fuck you over more than once. Anybody owe you bread, do not accept the crumbs. Remember, you can never tell these bitches everything. Today she call you. All right. First entry goes well. So we are left to look for a second. Anything, bet on yourself, anything. Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it. And you better look fucking good when you're I know it was some crazy move there. The market tried to play around it. But still, since the direction had shifted, we still locked in our profit. That's why it's always wise. Actually, it is always easier, especially if you are a beginner, to trade following that trend and also understanding market structure to a certain level that you can easily tell that the market now has switched structure, and you start anticipating sellers or buyers depending on how you're seeing the market. Never let a nigga fuck you over more than once. Anybody owe you bread, do not accept the crumbs. Remember, you can never tell these bitches everything. Today she call you sus, tomorrow she enemy. Money to the side, don't let no nigga leave you dry. Stand up business, if they say it's up, you better ride. Keep the family first, but that in front of everything. Bet that on yourself if you gon' roll the dice on anything. Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it. And you better look fucking good when you do it. Lay your face down with your ass out. With some nigga you can't call for nothing if you ass out. I ain't see that Jamie walk around here with your hand out, but just in case some shit don't really go the way you planned out. Don't go pulling bags on the bag if you can't put a bag in it. And never know what niggas you never see what they choosing. Don't never handle business decisions while in your feelings. Keep your hair and nails done and don't play around about that business. Keep everyone at your game. Explain support, please. All right, guys, me, I am not a support trader, but one thing I know about support, the little information I know about support, it is when the market has been trending upwards, then it switches structure, it moves downwards, it hits a certain level, then it continues up again. So if it keeps hitting that certain level, like it hits that level, then it goes up again, it comes back and hits it up again, that level is considered to be the market support, because the market trends upwards, comes back in a downtrend or down movement, it touches that level and goes back. So if it touches it about 2 times, that is already market support. But personally, I do not trade with it. Yeah, so I really didn't go so much details with support, but that is it. That's what you should really consider. It's just a zone that the market has touched several times, not necessarily several times, but a few times, about 3 times. All right, let me see you type congratulations. She ran me. and you better look fucking good when you do it. Bro, they're heading. We are still locked in. We are still locked in. Where are you heading? Okay, guys, let us move on to our next. The loudest is the weakest, give a fuck about what they screaming. And don't be matching fucked up energy with hoes in no way. Be realer than that lame shit, cause that right there got no place. Fuck off, love one. Never let a nigga fuck you over more than once. Two. Anybody owe you bread, do not accept the crumbs. Remember, you can never tell these bitches everything. Today she call you sis, tomorrow she your enemy. Money to the side, don't let no nigga leave you dry. Stand up business, if they say it's up, you better rise. Keep the family first, put that in front of everything. Bet that on yourself if you gon' roll the dice on anything. Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it. And you better look fucking good. And don't be lay your face down with your ass out. With some nigga you can't call for nothing if you ass out. I ain't saying that me walk around here with your hand out, but just in case some shit don't really go the way you planned out. Don't go pulling bags on the bag if you can't put a bag in it. And never fuck with niggas you never see. Okay, guys, let us look for another entry. Let us look for another entry. It's a matter. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song, looking crying. Patience is key whenever you're trading, so let us get another move. It's always wise to patiently wait for a market to give you an opportunity than just to chase around. Because the more entries you take when you're chasing the market, they are most likely to not end well for you. E for energy. I got you. I got you. I got you, my dear. Somebody who can make it better. Who can open up those gates to your heart? Only if you let me. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you know where to be from as they sing along. I say you look good out, no makeup. Uzi, good to have you, Uzi. You're so calm. Why? Oh my. You're making me sing. How do you guys be? Do you have to be tough? You really have to be tough. Who can make it better? Only if you let me. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you know where to be from as they sing along. I say you look good out, no makeup, no lashes, even better when all right, guys, you're looking for our final attempt. So let us see if we can lock in any. Mm-mm. All right, let's move on to our next. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. I say you look good on the makeup. Oh my, beautiful. I really love executing entries and they really move immediately in that direction anticipated. So let's see. Damn. That was closed door, but I'm glad it has worked out. Guys, I love this song, and actually today I was really thinking about it, so enjoy. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga. As we're looking for our second attempt. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah, it's a beautiful one. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. Alright, let us see if we can get a move. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Better than you. Buyers have to show us the move. Oh my. This is already going against us crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Our trade has been invalidated. Touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons because they always inviting more. Sorry about that. Sorry about guys. To all my niggas out there living in debt. Cash and minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex. And fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hit me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. That's better than yours. That's better than yours. We are doing donations, and with donations, we go with 100%. That's according to our rules. So all participants are ready and comfortable with it. We just have to look in and see if we can get nice entries. But you know, every opportunity in the market, every experience in the market is unique. Even when you follow your strategy, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes losses just get to you. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, right now, right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? Okay, let's see. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? Wishana. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask me any trading question that you want to know. I am trading with pair price action strategy. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes the market is really crazy. That's a fact. Especially when you really have executed a trade and you had like about 3 confluences. Cameron, you have never heard of sampling? That's what we're exactly doing. Which one now? Which one now? All right, let's move. All right, we are already having direction in our movement in our direction. Locked in. We're so locked in. So let us see if we can get another entry. The sky like shooting star. Let us add more buys. You can see the trend is clearly bullish. So let's move and see. Bullish movement to the moon. That's why we're heading to the moon. Locked in for that. All right, we are still moving. I'm gonna get you a jet one day, Ivy. Do you already have one? I want someone to promise me things when they already have something. Because if you don't have a jet, then I'm going to just think those are words. Guys, this is a continuation entry. You can see the market pulled back and it has switched back to its trend. All right. Okay, we're done. Let me see you type congratulations. This bullish movement has really worked for us. A. Everything. Make me a one daddy. Make me a one and only. Your enemy, so you wanna play magic? For yeah, you dare to do that. I'm like a dark horse. One day like that. All right. Yeah, you ask me. Fire the question. I see. Okay, let us see if we can still catch up with this movement. Buyers are still making moves in the market. You can see, guys. Damn. Our buys are invalidated. But at least we're really trying to be in line with our trends. So let us refund and try again. Pullback took us out. Let us refund and try again. Hey. Okay, let us watch out for another entry. Play with magic. All right, first attempt goes well. Oz, I think you can ask again because I think your comment moved fast, so I didn't get to see it. You know I deal with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my vision. You took my heart, all my keys, and my vision. You be seeking my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I want, why you want to give me. Guys, we are left with 2 items, so let us see how they move for us. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me give me that. So me gotta work. Na. When you walk na. Before the day was done. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't let me stop you. Alright, guys, let us move and see how it goes. I will never neglect you. The market has been trending upwards, but I feel like structure is shifting bearish. So let's see. Okay, we are left with 1 attempt. Because I recognize I'm trying, baby.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done, let work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get it away to no one.
Run and spend money too. When it's equal to I gotta see through.
If you had a twin, I'd still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon. But I know you need to get done if you come on. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me off. Yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight.
Ozzy, we're still locked in. We are still locked in. I'm going to get to your question.
You could pick the time and the place. You'll spend some time away.
Let us first lock in this and see how it goes. It's a me do me da da. Wow, guys, four attempts have been conquered. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. No risk, no Ferrari. I live by that. All right, all right. That's nice. That's nice. That is some good motivation to keep you in the market. Okay, you can ask again because I didn't see. Because you can be time to there. You spend some time away.
Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance now, hit the dance now. I got all I need. I ain't got cash, I ain't got cash.
I got you, baby.
Just you and me.
Guys, you're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. This is a trading assembly. We are already catching up good vibes and sharing trading tips as traders because why not? Okay, let's move. If you want to take part on that donation or you want to be part of the participants, there's a donation link in the description you can use. And of course, donations are not financial investment. It is purely for learning purposes and entertainment. You know how we do it every night. We already are sharing tips as traders and catching up as traders because why not? Oh man, beautiful move there. Guys, let me see you type congratulations. This is entirely one. It was just one attempt and we have locked it in. Let me see you type congratulations to Kaizen. Kaizen. Guys, I need to see you type more congratulations to our participants. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I love you and your trade efforts. Thank you. Thank you. If you love my trade efforts, you can also match them. And see Ozzy, please ask again. Somehow your comment moves so fast, I do not get to read it. You know, I be locked in on the chat because we have to get the moves, guys. We have to get the moves. So if I don't see it, you can always ask again. Please ask again. Ask again. Ask again. Don't feel bad. I'm sorry. Ask again. Sometimes the comment moves so fast, to be honest. So by the time I get to look at the comments, you know, we have to lock in. We have to lock in as we are getting. We have to get this. So as we are locking in, sometimes the comments, by the time I look at it, it has already moved. Ever since we was in a dream it all. They say that will be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Uzi, I don't even get. Okay, I've seen the comment. I've seen it. I've seen it. I've seen it. Actually, whenever you're trading, my friend, you have to really be careful. As a trader, there are some mistakes you're supposed to avoid. Of course, if you are still a beginner, to be honest, there are moments when you are really anticipating to buy and you end up opening sell trades. But the more you take long in the market, those mistakes actually stop happening to you because you'll be so locked in, and you know that any mistake that you make, you could end up losing your capital. So honestly, that it has ever happened to me when I was a beginner, but at this level where I am at, I don't make such mistakes anymore, to be honest, because I really don't play with money. That's a fact. That's a fact, and that's how it should be for every trader here. You should be serious in that the only losses that you're taking from the market, they come from the point of you have executed a trade and it has just gone against you. But besides that, you try to lock in and avoid mistakes that you can actually avoid. Let me hope I've answered you, my friend. Big green champagne. Super Bowl. I gotta play on my phone. You know what I'm on. I just did it, it's gone. My mama called, see you on TV. Since that shit done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since we was on, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. All right, let us see if we can get another attempt. Yeah, as a trader, honestly, you shouldn't be playing around. The only losses that you are supposed to take from the market are the ones where you execute a trade and it goes against you, but you should try to avoid other mistakes around trading. Also, the other mistakes that traders will make is chasing the market. All those things can be avoided, and at least you swallow the losses that are really purely just the market going against you, but you really followed your trade and you are disciplined enough to wait for an entry that is in line with your strategy. Sensational change. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I would be nothing. Now they all. I learn from my mistakes. Of course, mistakes are the best teacher. That's why whenever you really take serious losses from the market, you have to go back and check yourself and see what really caused that. But in most cases, those big losses, they come from not following your risk management. That's a fact. Most of the losses, big losses, they come from not following risk management or putting a lot of pressure on your account that it fails to sustain losses and it ends up being blown up. Baby Aurora. Let me see you type congratulations, guys. Let me see you type congratulations. Aurora. Baby Aurora. All right, Kunle, you just Kunle. I can see you are another profitable trader in the building. Good to have you. Good to have you. And whatever you're sharing is 100% true. So it's nice to check yourself instead of blaming the circumstances. You always check yourself because most of the trading mistakes they come purely from us. So it's not upon you to blame the market makers that are the assumed market makers or any other thing. It's always about you. And once you start acknowledging that helps you to become a better trader and a better person. Eh, baby, I roll out. Okay, let us see if we can get our second attempt. That really moved so fast because it was in line with the trend. Baby, I roll up. Baby, I roll up. Yeah, and all guys that want to know more about my strategy, let me hope you already subscribed because I'm gonna be dropping more new videos about it in details. So subscribe in case I drop. You don't miss out on any. All right, I video trade you. Guys, I'm trading binary options, and to be honest, binary options is not highly affected by news in any way. Oh my god. Our second entry has been invalidated. Damn. Sorry about that, guys. A pullback has taken us out on our second attempt. Sorry about that. Big deal. Yeah, losses are always part of this game, to be honest. You just have to make sure they do not exceed, they are not greater than your wins.
Don't get the go off. Left from the loft and west to Bergdorf. Most of these dudes is really quite soft. 45 special, this is my core. About to drop an album, this is my fourth.
And we'll shake and migratory stores.
Drop a freestyle and get these hoes hurt.
Fire burn. So just another day. Structure is bearish, guys. So let us see if we can get any move. You know, I'm trading with pure price action, so market structure, understanding market structure is really key for me. I switch it up. I switch it up. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. And we are always here every night, so you can always join the trading assembly as we're catching up with good vibes. Yeah, good vibes are always here as we are executing some good moves. Oh my God. What's your experience? My experience with what? Mainly, I have very many experiences. So, I am trading binary options, my friend. This is binary options trading. And if you can, around and around and around. My experience with Forex, I think I spent like 2.5 years, I think, in those markets. And when I discovered binary, it really excited me, and I'm glad I locked in this side because I find it easier to move this side. Ivy, what is your favorite pair to trade? That is a very good question because actually, as all traders, somehow we get attached to a certain pair and we be so locked in. So I think in my top 3, okay, you asked for one. I believe this exact pair that I'm trading right now, it's among my best. Oh, someone saying Brent oil. All right, that's true. I also like it. I also honestly like trading it. But with me, actually, trading is something that I really enjoy doing. It's not just all about pairs. It is really something I really always look forward to do. Oh my God. That really went crazy against us. And it's moving in our direction. Oh my God. That experience is not nice. Sorry about that. But I do not like executing trades and they go against me. And after they move in my direction. Makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. I want you to stay. Oh my God. Guys, pocket option is not a broker. It is not a trading. It's not a market. Pocket options is a broker. I am trading binary options. That is the market we're dealing with. I hope you can tell the difference. My candles are 5 seconds, guys, and my expiration time is 15 seconds.
Leather glove, no sequin. What goes on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit.
I'ma show you how good you go right foot up, left foot slide.
Left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you the
Okay, first attempt has moved well and so fast. That's how I love it.
Baby, don't you wanna dance with me?
Your jam. Alright, enjoy.
Son, I could get you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up,
Left foot slide.
left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot. Yeah. 200 shooters on my brother's block. Yeah. Pedal off the roads like I love it now, baby now. I don't know what's wrong with me, I can't stop. Yeah. Won't stop. Never stop. Got so many ops, I be mistaken ops for other ops. Got so many people that I love out of trouble spot.
Which setup mainly? Alright.
That's just how I think it's
You and me.
This life got too deep for you, baby. 2 or 3 of us.
What I always look out for whenever I'm trading, it is understanding market direction. That is the first thing I really consider, and the way, guys, I'm telling them to you, that is the order I follow. You're not going to find me understanding market structure before understanding the trend I'm dealing with. And I feel like that is a certain way that you should also be trading. Whenever you're trading, you should have your strategy laid out in an order that you follow so that you move step by step. So me, basically, I first start looking at the market direction and understand, am I in an uptrend, am I in a downtrend, am I dealing with a sideways market? Then I go in with understanding market structure and my entries that are always done on a lower time frame are also backed up with the candlestick patterns. And with candlestick patterns, they just help you to confirm the direction and also to tell if the market is reversing, is it pulling back, or it's switching to a continuation. So basically that's it. Lily, let me hope you've got it.
Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide.
Don't you wanna dance with me?
I could dance like Michael Jackson.
Yeah, let me hope you have got it, Lily.
It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No. I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get
Okay,
you
guys, let
satisfied.
us look in for our
You know
attempt.
we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we about to slide.
Okay, yeah. This is already heading in our direction. Let me see you type congratulations to our final participant for tonight. Trevor been doing some work for himself out there again. So guys, the platform that I'm using to trade is Pocket Options Broker, and there's a link in the description for it. Yeah, me see you type more congratulations. And I want to say congratulations to all our participants for tonight. Congratulations to all our participants for tonight.
Welcome to to berries from fantasies, dreams,
And this is a trading assembly. We are always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So make sure you mark your attendance early and we learn as we share also good vibes. There's a link in the description for my Telegram channel. You can join so that you don't miss out on any communication. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet so that you don't miss out when I drop new videos about my strategy and my trading experience as I share all the tips. If you want to take part in that donation tomorrow, there's a donation link you can use. And if you want a bot for trading, there's a link in the description for Skynet bot. It's always nice to have you here, guys. It's always nice. Thank you for always coming. Much love, much love. Let me hope you're really learning something and you're also practicing whatever you will learn here. Good night, much love. Let us meet tomorrow, same time.